Ordering food at a restaurant.
Are you ready to order?
I think so. Can I look at the menu one more minute?
Of course, take your time.
Thank you. This is my first time here.
Oh, really? Then I can help you. What kind of food do you like?
I like chicken. I also like pasta. Nothing too spicy.
That's good. Our chicken pasta is very popular. Many customers like it.
Chicken pasta sounds nice. Is it very big?
It is a medium size, not too big, not too small.
Does it come with anything?
Yes, it comes with bread and a small salad.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it is not spicy. It is creamy and soft.
Okay. I would like the chicken pasta, please.
Sure. Would you like soup or salad with that?
Salad, please.
No problem. What would you like to drink?
Can I have iced tea, please?
Yes, small or large.
Small, please.
Would you like lemon with your iced tea?
Yes, please, with lemon.
So that's 1 chicken pasta, 1 salad, and 1 small iced tea with lemon. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Your food will be ready in about 10 minutes. Here is your salad and your iced tea.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And here is your chicken pasta. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you. It looks very good. It smells nice.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
How is everything?
It's very good. The pasta is very good. The chicken is soft.
I'm happy to hear that.
Yes, I really like it. The sauce is nice.
That's great. Do you need anything else?
Can I have some more water, please?
Of course. Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
No problem. Would you like dessert?
Maybe. What do you have?
We have chocolate cake, apple pie, and ice cream.
What do you recommend?
The chocolate cake is very popular.
Is it very sweet?
It is sweet, but not too sweet.
Okay. I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Would you like coffee with that?
Yes, please. 1 small coffee.
Black coffee or with milk?
With milk, please.
So that's 1 chocolate cake and 1 small coffee with milk. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Here is your cake and coffee.
Thank you. The cake looks delicious.
Enjoy. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is very good. The cake is very good too.
I'm glad you like it.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course, I will bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here is the bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do I tap here?
Yes, please. Tap your card here.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The food was very good. I really liked the chicken pasta.
Thank you. We hope to see you again.
Yes, I will come again.
Asking for and giving directions.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
The train station?
Yes, the main train station.
Oh, okay. It is not very far.
Not far?
No, it is about a 10-minute walk.
10 minutes. Okay. How do I go there?
Go straight on this street.
Go straight?
Yes, go straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks.
After 2 blocks, you will see a bank.
A bank?
Yes, a big bank on the corner.
On the corner?
Right. When you see the bank, turn left.
Turn left at the bank.
That's right.
After I turn left?
Go straight again.
Go straight again?
Yes, walk for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
You will see a big supermarket on your right.
A supermarket on my right?
Yes, the station is next to the supermarket.
Next to the supermarket?
Yes, you can't miss it.
Okay, let me repeat. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Yes,
Turn left at the bank.
correct.
Then go straight for 5 minutes.
Yes,
The station is next to the supermarket.
exactly.
Thank you. One more question.
Sure.
Is there a bus I can take?
Yes, there is.
Oh, good.
The bus stop is behind you.
Behind me?
Yes, just turn around.
Ah, I see it.
That bus goes to the station.
Which bus number?
Bus number 12.
Number 12.
Yes, it comes every 15 minutes.
Every 15 minutes?
The ride is only 5 minutes.
5 minutes by bus?
Yes,
That's faster.
yes, much faster.
How much is the ticket?
It's $2.
$2.
You can pay on the bus.
Okay, that's easy.
Yes, very easy.
What if I walk?
It's safe to walk.
Safe?
Yes, the sidewalks are big.
Okay,
Just don't cross the street at the red light.
don't cross at the red light.
Right.
Is there a traffic light near the bank?
Yes, there is a big traffic light.
Okay, that helps.
Also, there is a park near the station.
A park?
Yes, if you see the park, you are very close.
So the park is near the station.
Yes, the station is across from the park.
Across from the park.
Exactly.
What does across from mean?
It means on the other side of the street.
On the other side.
Yes.
Okay, I understand.
Good.
Is the station big?
Yes, it is big and busy.
Busy?
Many people go there every day.
I see.
There is a big clock in front of the station.
A big clock?
Yes, you will see it easily.
That is helpful.
Also, there are many taxis outside.
Many taxis.
Yes,
What time does the station close?
it closes at midnight,
Midnight.
but trains stop earlier,
Around what time?
around 11:30.
Okay, I need to hurry.
Yes, maybe take the bus.
Yes, I will take bus number 12.
Good idea.
Let me repeat again. The bus stop is behind me.
Yes,
Take bus number 12.
correct.
5 minutes to the station.
Yes,
The station is next to the supermarket,
exactly.
across from the park.
That's right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate your help.
No problem.
This city is big.
Yes, it is.
I get lost easily.
That's okay. It happens.
Thanks again.
Have a safe trip.
Booking a hotel room.
I want to book a room.
Okay, for how many nights?
2 nights.
2 nights. Got it. How many people?
Just one person.
1 person. Okay. Do you want a single room?
Yes, a single room.
Any preference for the bed?
A big bed, please.
A double bed?
Yes, a double bed.
Do you want a room with a window?
Yes, please. A window is good.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking.
Non-smoking. Good. Do you want breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast included.
Okay. I have a room available.
What is the price?
$50 per night.
$50. Total?
$100 for 2 nights.
Okay. How can I pay?
Credit card or cash?
Credit card.
Perfect. Can I have your name?
John Smith.
John Smith. Got it.
Do I need an ID?
Yes, please. Passport or driver's license?
Passport.
Okay. When will you arrive? Tomorrow at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Checkout time?
Morning, around 11 a.m.
Okay. Do you need a taxi from the airport?
Yes, please. That is helpful.
We can arrange it.
How much?
$20.
Okay, that's fine.
Would you like Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, free Wi-Fi, please.
Free Wi-Fi. Got it.
Is there a pool?
Yes, on the rooftop.
Open all day?
6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay. Can I bring a pet?
Sorry, no pets.
No problem.
Anything else?
Is there parking?
Yes, free parking behind the hotel.
Great. Can I get a receipt?
Of course, we will give it at check-in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So my reservation is confirmed?
Yes, reservation confirmed.
Wonderful.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Have a good trip.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm excited about the stay.
It will be comfortable.
Can I pay online?
Yes, online payment is possible.
Perfect.
Anything else I can help with?
No, everything is fine.
Great. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Calling a repair service.
My sink is leaking.
How bad is it?
Water is dripping slowly.
Is it all the time?
Yes, all the time.
Do you want someone to come today?
Yes, please, today if possible.
What time is good for you?
Around 2 p.m.
Okay, 2 p.m. Is that fine?
Yes, that's fine.
What is your address?
123 Main Street, apartment 4B.
123 Main Street, apartment 4B. Got it.
Do you need my phone number?
Yes, please.
It's 555-1234.
555-1234. Perfect.
How much will it cost?
Around $50.
$50. Okay.
Do you want a fixed price or hourly?
Fixed price, please.
Okay, the plumber will come with tools.
Good. How long will it take to fix?
Usually about 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay.
Will you be at home?
Yes, I will wait at home.
Perfect. Any pets at home?
Yes, a small dog.
No problem. The plumber knows about pets.
Good. Do I need to prepare anything?
Just clear under the sink.
Clear under the sink. Okay.
The plumber will call when he is near.
Will he call on the phone?
Yes, he will call 10 minutes before.
Good. What if I am late?
He can wait a little.
How little?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, that is enough.
Does the sink leak only in the kitchen?
Yes, only the kitchen sink.
Any other problem?
No, just the sink.
Okay, the plumber will bring replacement parts.
Great.
Will water leak a lot when he works?
Maybe a little.
It is normal.
Okay. Should I turn off the water?
Yes, please. Turn off the main water valve.
Got it.
After repair, the plumber will test the sink.
Good. Can he fix it if it is broken badly?
Yes, he can fix most leaks.
Great.
I feel better now. Don't worry, the plumber is professional.
Will he come with a uniform?
Yes, he wears a uniform and carries a toolbox.
Perfect. I will wait at home.
2 p.m. is fine. See you then.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can he also check the bathroom sink?
Yes, if you want, he can check it too.
Please, just to be safe.
Good idea.
Will there be extra cost?
Maybe $10 more if parts are needed.
Okay, that's fine.
Everything is ready. Plumber will call you before coming.
Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.